Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today I'm here to share a few Amazon finds that I've been actually using in real life. This is not a promotional video and I'm not promoting and I'm not asking you all to buy such things. I'm just expressing how these things have actually made my life easier, and if you find any of this useful, maybe this might help you as well. Okay, so the first thing that I have is these earplugs from Loop. These are the Quiet 2 variant. Now this comes in a nice packaging. It has this case like the sizes so that it fits perfectly into your ear. So it is very compact, very easy to travel around with. I've actually attached the smallest earplug size here. It's very easy to fit into your ear. It just goes in and then you twist it. So that's how you wear it. These are amazing because you don't need to charge them. They reduce all the background noise. They cancel all the chitter and chatter in the background and everything. These are really helpful because I'm one of those people who gets disturbed smallest amount of noise in the room. So I am the most slightest sleeper ever. Also, it helps me concentrate while I'm working or whenever I feel like reading, so these really come handy. So the next product that has been really helpful is this. This is like a weekly planner. Now honestly speaking, I have been trying to plan each and every day since a very long time, but it's not very practical. So I switched this time to a weekly planner, which is quite convenient because you have like a whole week column here, so you can just jot down whatever work you have, and according to whatever things that are coming up, maybe a family function or something, but something important as well, like a appointment to a doctor, or maybe something related to a bank that you have to do. So maybe you can just write that down a day prior. I can always check what work I have, and then I act accordingly the next morning. So this is very helpful, and it also helps me keep a record of all the things that I have to do. So the next product that I have is this water bottle. It's from Solara. It is an insulated water bottle. Now this has been a lifesaver because when I'm busy, I really forget to drink water, and then I am so dehydrated. But this bottle helps me keep a track of my water intake, which is very important. So it is insulated, so it is good for both summer and winter. It is really good quality. It comes with two cap attachments also. One is this like a normal water bottle that you can just take a sip out of it, and the other one comes with a sipper, like a proper sipper. It has a straw inside, then a sipper attachment, so you can just sip your water and then you can just shut it down. Okay, so the next product that I have is this. Now this is a laptop stand. It is foldable. It comes like this, and then it opens up, and then you can just attach it to whatever height is good for you, and then you can just place it wherever convenient. So because I am into content creation now and spend a lot of time editing on my laptop, this comes really handy. I usually get a really bad strain over here on my neck if I'm looking down for a very long time, so this is really handy. It is very helpful and a great product. Okay, so the last product that I have is a beauty tool. Me being a girl obviously had to bring in a beauty tool. So this is a heatless curler. I got it off Amazon, and it comes along with these two scrunchies, a nice curler, and a claw clip. So I usually use it at night. It is convenient because you don't need to spend a lot of time with each and every strand of your hair. You just have to apply this, like braid your hair. It's very easy to use. It's like braiding your hair into this curling thing. So you just apply it, and then you sleep off, you doze off, and the next morning you wake up, you take this off, and your hair is all beautiful and curled. So it is a great product. It does not damage your hair. So that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found something really helpful and something that might solve some of your problems. So yeah, if you like such content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please stay connected. That's all. Bye bye.